Eliza, you want Sunny to play with you? Eliza's our new girl. Star Powers. Hi, Star baby. There's Star Powers. Hey, Star Powers.
Odin.
Hey, guys. Oh, easy, guys. Easy. Careful.
Sonny, come on.
Gotta be
Come on,
careful.
Walk it up. Sonny.
Star Powers. You like Eliza too, huh? Hi, Star baby. Star. Hi, Star baby. Oh, you're so cute. And there's Teddy.
Mister.
Hi, Odin. Hi, you handsome. Hi, you handsome. I know. You're gonna try to go between my legs. You're too tall. You're too tall for me, big boy. Hi, Tanner. Oh, my big boy. Big brown bear. I love you. Yes, I do. Oh, Tika, baby.
Odin.
Tika. And Blazy boy. And Wendy.
Eliza, no more.
Coda. Hi, Coda. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, you guys can't be right here.
Hey. Get up. Okay. Walk around.
Let's go up here, guys. Kismet. Hi, Kismet. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweet girl. Oh, Coda. I see you. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go. Are you gonna get Blaze Star?
Hey, Sonny, leave it alone.
Hi, Jake. There's our Tika. And our Hanzo. And our Odin. I know.
Odin.
I hear you, buddy. Come here. Sit. Hey. Oh, sit. Okay, say hi to your mom again. Say hi. Go ahead. You can say hi. What do you want to say? You just want to play with Blaze? Okay.
Hey, Odin, you already got your camera time.
I know. I already interviewed you. Keep going. Keep going. I know. You're a good boy. We love our Odin. We love our big Odin. Oh, buddy. Frankie and Kismet and Teddy. Mister. Hi, big Mister boy. I know. I see you, big boy. Hi, Jake. Hi, Jakey. I see you, buddy. I see you. And Seba. Hi, Seba. Oh, keep walking, guys. There's our Manuka. Hi, Manooks. Ah, sweetheart. Look at that girl. Look at that girl. And there's Cinderella. Hi, sweetheart. I like your name, Cinderella. Should we go down here, guys?
Hey.
I know. Odin and Seba. I know. You've been playing. You've been playing with Seba all day. Should we go down here? Let's go down here. Come on, guys. Rufus. Roofy Doc. Who are you looking at? Is your little brother over there? Hey, buddy. How are you? Huh? How's my woofs? Roofy boy. Kino! Hi, Kino girl. Hi, Kino girl. You're a sweet Kino girl. Mister, are you gonna get in the water? Are you gonna get in the water, big bubs? Hmm? I know you're a good boy. Tika. I'm not gonna say your name because you're just gonna bark at me. Aren't you, buddy? Dakota and Seba. Lollipop? I thought this was Frankie. Is Frankie here too? Oh my gosh, it was Lolly the whole time. It was Lolly the whole time. Oh my goodness. You're so tall. You're so tall. Lazy, you're so loud. Oh my goodness.
Don't be bad. Don't be bad for the camera.
Coleman. Come here, my collies. I got something on this lens. Hi, Collie baby. I love my Coleman. Yes, I do. He's my best collie. Huh. All right, guys. Oh, and Chance is sleeping over here. Chance, you sleeping? You're a tired boy. You too, knuckleheads.
Hold it.
Just having fun all the time. Huh, Star? You guys are so loud. Irene. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. Yes, you are.
Come on outside. Hanzo, please.
All right. Hanzo and Blaze. All right.